This video offers the definitive answers for persistent SteamVR crashes and frustrating software glitches. Having personally faced these exact issues and thoroughly tested numerous solutions, I've uncovered multiple effective strategies to restore your VR experience, and I'm eager to share these proven methods with you right now. First, we tackle clearing the SteamVR cache, an essential step because corrupted temporary files and cache data often lead to instability and unexpected application shutdowns. By verifying the integrity of SteamVR tool files, you force the system to check for and replace any damaged or incomplete components, ensuring a clean slate for its operation. Next, we look at removing specific SteamVR configuration files. These files store your user preferences and hardware settings, and they can easily become corrupted or contain conflicting entries, especially after updates or hardware changes. Deleting them forces SteamVR to generate fresh, default configurations upon relaunch, resolving deep-seated conflicts that cause persistent bugs and crashes. Our third approach involves a complete reinstallation of SteamVR. While more drastic, this method is incredibly effective because it guarantees that every single file and dependency related to SteamVR is replaced with a pristine copy directly from Valve's servers. This eliminates any lingering, deeply embedded corrupted files or missing links that simpler fixes might overlook, providing a truly fresh installation environment. Finally, ensuring all your graphics drivers and SteamVR itself are fully updated is crucial. Outdated drivers are a primary cause of rendering errors, performance degradation, and system-level conflicts with VR applications, as they lack the latest optimizations and compatibility patches. Keeping everything current ensures your hardware and software communicate efficiently, preventing crashes that stem from compatibility issues or unaddressed software vulnerabilities.